I always slay it, queen.
What's up, you guys? It's Sarah and welcome back to my channel. Today I got a new ring light and I haven't used it, so I'm gonna do a quick little makeup tutorial. I'm actually putting on some makeup to film a Rick and Morty video, so you are gonna see that as well. It's gonna be season 5 predictions, and that's why I am wearing this awesome shirt that I got for Christmas. So that's just a good reminder. Always keep slaying. So we are going to do just a natural glowy look today. I'm going to teach you a little bit about how I cover up some of these blemishes that I have. The mask is really getting me. Like, I can't remember the last time I broke out like this. That freaking mask, I swear. Okay, so while I'm getting ready, I'm going to be telling you guys about a couple products that I absolutely love, that I can't live without, that I use every single day, and they're affordable. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So the first thing is this really nice, a mini wet brush. As you can see, the logo's right there. Just love this because it was $5 and it's portable, it's small, it's very useful, it doesn't pull out my hair, it just glides right through it and silky and shiny, so definitely one of my favorite beauty essentials. So the first thing that I'm actually going to start with is some of this BB cream to just get a nice even foundation down for my makeup. This also has SPF in it. I believe this is only like $5 and it lasts me a really long time. I did prep my skin with a little bit of moisturizer before I came on here. I actually dermaplaned my whole face, so that's why it's looking extra just glowy and shiny right now, is because I dermaplaned, which dermaplaning is using a facial razor and just getting all that peach fuzz off of your skin. And then this is my favorite brush in the whole world. It is the Real Techniques foundation brush. And then I can go in and I can just dab it to really pack it into my skin. No streak marks or anything like that. So on a typical day when my skin is clear, this will do the trick, but today I'm gonna be filming and I have a couple blemishes, so I'm gonna need a little bit more coverage than that. So my lips are mad dry right now, and I'm going to use one of my new favorite products. My friend got me this for Christmas. It is the Hempz Lips Ultra Moisturizing Herbal Lip Balm, and it uses hemp seed oil and it has a lemony taste to it. It just goes on so smoothly. It really leaves my my lips so moisturized. This stuff is the bomb.com. In order to cover up some of this redness that I have, I'm going to take my CoverGirl True Blend Concealer, and I believe this concealer is about $7 or $8. It could be more depending on where you get it, but I know at Walmart I'm pretty sure it's only like $8. And it is my favorite concealer in the whole entire world. It is better than Shape Tape in my opinion, because sometimes Shape Tape was just too cakey and would dry out too fast on my skin, but this is just so blendable. It's so soft and it's very, very pigmented. You guys out there probably won't need this much, but I just want to cover up this redness that I have and call it a day. So we got some under eye circles, we got a couple little things going on. So
I'm using circular motions to kind of blend this up, going back and forth. I like to go on my eyelid as well because I have a lot of veins, so you can see through my skin. Get my acne scarring, go under my eye, and I'm always kind of lifting around the eye area upward so that I'm not pulling it down. Wow, this light is really a game changer. Like, you can see everything. Wow.
yeah. Sorry, I'm back. My mom was calling me, and when your mom calls and you go, what? There's no answer, and then you have to go downstairs and talk to them, but it's fine because I love my mother. so dearly. So a lot of people ask me, you know, how do you get your foundation to stay? Mine just always comes off, or you know, it just slides right off my face, or it just doesn't look that good. So something that I have learned over the years is that it looks great now, but there's nothing to really seal it in, and you guys need to be using powder, especially if you're trying to get more of a medium to full coverage look. In order to keep your makeup staying all day, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder Foundation in 120, which is Classic Ivory. And as you can see, I'm also running out of this. I am just gonna take this big old fluffy brush and pat it into there, and then in order to actually set my foundation, that is when I go in with this nice powder here and press. I'm gonna do one side of my face so you can see the difference between no powder and powder. Okay, so here is powder, no powder. No powder. So as you can see, that finish is way nicer, and it'll stay all day long, especially in the Florida heat. It will just slide right off your face if you don't set it with powder. So I really like to give some definition to my cheekbones, so I'm gonna go ahead with this e.l.f. bronzer. I don't know what shade it is or anything like that because the info just rubbed off, but it's fine. Then I got this brush in my Ipsy bag. It's really nice. It's called Shayna B. Shayna? Shout out to Shayna. And I'm just gonna go in and swirl that in there. And I press so that it's not all crazy, dropping everywhere. So I add a line right there. And then I also add it to my forehead because I really like to give my face a glow, a little bronze, and I'm gonna do this side of my face so that you can see the difference.
I'm swirling it up into my hairline.
Here is the contoured side, and here's the regular side. So as you can see, my face is just very straight down, and then when I contour, wow, look at that, she has cheekbones. Amazing. We are gonna take more bronzer and do the other side. Soft and glowy. I'm gonna take more bronzer actually, and I like to pat it on the edge of my nose. So I have like a longer nose right here that kind of sticks out, and there's nothing wrong with it, but I find that if I just put bronzer on the end of it, it kind of just pushes it back. And then of course I'm just gonna dust along the sides, and then I also do like to go along my whole entire cheek. I'm not adding any extra product, I am just kind of blending what's left also into my eyelids, and then just go all around one more time and blend everything. I'm gonna be taking this Wet n Wild blush in Pinch Me Pink. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm still playing around with this light, but come on. I'm gonna take this blush brush. It is a Luxie brush that I got in my Ipsy bag a while ago. And go all along the apples of my cheeks and up. Difference already, huh? And don't be discouraged if you're at this point following my tutorial and you're like, what is this? It's all gonna come together after the mascara and the brows and the lips and everything, and it'll stay all day long. Okay. I just like that sun-kissed look, like I've been outside, because I never go outside, but I look like I went outside. Isn't it great? I like to do a little life hack where before I do my brows and my eyes, I do my highlight and my eyeshadow at the same time. So this is the Estée highlighter in Bye, and it is so nice. It just has like a nice goldy tone, but it's not too dark because I love golds, but if the gold is too dark, it just kind of shows up weird on me. But this one works great, and I pretty much just take my finger and get a good amount on there, and I like to just tap here on my highlighted cheekbone. Other side. A little bit here. And then my trick is to also use it as eyeshadow. It just matches the rest of your face. You can push it up all the way to your arch as well to highlight that arch. Get a little bit there. Brightens up your eyes, brightens up your whole face. And yeah, we'll just call it a day. This is the Milani Soft Brown Brow Pomade, and it comes with this little spoolie. I like that because for the price point, it's affordable. It comes with the brush, comes with the spoolie. So the first thing I do is let me see if I can pull you closer for this. I don't know if that worked, but I guess we'll go down a little bit. So the first thing that we're gonna do is just brush out the brows. Then taking that pomade, I'm just dabbing it in there, wiping the excess off on the sides, and then I just want to go with a nice swoop to achieve that shape that I like. Everybody has a different brow shape that they want to achieve. Everybody has a different facial shape, shape of their brows, so it really is just what you think looks best on you. Just gonna put my brush through the front very lightly. I didn't add any extra product because I just want the middle to be light. I'm just drawing that tail on there, giving some definition to the top, giving some definition to the bottom, filling in the front. Oh, that front part is gonna bother me. There we go. Okay. So pretty much the last thing that we have to do is a little bit of lip color. So I'm just gonna take this, it's this Estée Lauder Pure Color Envy Liquid Vinyl Lipstick in 306, which is Lava Flow, and it is incredibly pigmented, so I'm literally gonna put one dot, I guess that was technically two, but one little thing right there, and then take my Hempz and spread it around. Awesome. So then after that, I'm gonna be using this Eyeko London mascara. My friend gave this to me from her Ipsy bag because she just said that she wasn't gonna use it, and I love this. I'm definitely gonna repurchase it because if you can see, the end of this mascara wand is just, it's huge, and it really helps me get into the middle of my eyelid where I have shorter lashes, and it helps them just fluff up because I can reach it better, which is really nice.
Awesome. So I put one coat on, do the other eye, and then I go back and forth just doing multiple coats until I feel like all of my eyelashes have been coated.
And then if you want to be extra, you can go in with any other second mascara. This is the Bambi Eye Mascara by CoverGirl, I believe. And you can just go in and do another coat to make it even bigger. Oh my gosh, you guys, I always do this. I always get it right there. Just a little bit of concealer to hide that little mistake I made right there. But okay, you guys, here is the finished look. I just like this look for me personally because I feel like it brings out a lot of my natural features. It highlights my brows, my eyes, my lips without overdoing it, without having to be in full coverage makeup. It's just simple yet cute, and yeah, I'm definitely feeling myself, so time for a montage. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun making this video. If you enjoyed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and comment down below what you want to see next. All of your love and support means so much to me. Help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so that I am able to monetize my channel and bring you guys more content. Of course, monetization isn't my 100% end goal or anything like that, but it would help me grow my channel. It would help me be able to afford more supplies for video ideas that I want to do. I have a lot of really fun arts and crafts videos coming up just from the dollar store or different affordable things that we can all do. And yeah, Rick and Morty videos, lifestyle videos, fashion, food. I honestly want to do it all, so if you have the time of day to just click that subscribe button for me, it would mean so much to me. So anyways, I'll try to stop being weird, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.